those plague doctors in the bubonic plague that wear the bird masks. They're really Alpha Draconians, and they're Skeksis-like. Want to see them shapeshift? Let's see them shapeshift. We got like 3 minutes something. There. Let's put the vulture head. Now you know what they look like. What those masks really are? Wow. See? That's what they really look like. But they wear these masks. The plague doctors. Boom. But if we take it out, that's what they look like. Let's go with the other head. These are the fallen angels. They are Aswangs, vampires, and Maharlikan as Philippine mythology. I'm putting Black Plague music here. There. I'm gonna take this out. That's what they look like. How the bubonic plague was transmitted. Rat carries plague bacteria. 1 rat carries black. 1 rat carries black bacteria. 2 flea drinks rat's blood. 3 bacteria multiply in the flea's abdomen. 4 flea bites human, and 5 human is infected. And this causes suffering among humans. The Alpha Draconians livestock, and this produces loosh that they feed on. I didn't put all the other papers like I did the other ones, which this is different from the whole Pale People in Black series. Illuminati card, Death Mask. This card predicts that. And it says, whoever wears it can see a slightly different world through its staring eyelids, and when the mask is removed, the different world is the true one. Wow, so now you know. Now you know. Subliminal messages.